How to build an Android quiz app from scratch. Welcome to my course Make and Monetize Android Games Without Coding or Experience. In this course you will learn how to do in detail create 4 types of Android games without any coding skills. Control theme, unlimited levels, icons, sounds and colors. Hints management and splash screen. Fire-based push notifications and analysis. Monetize your game with 3 different ways at once. Publish your game to Google Play and Amazon App Store. You will be able to design 4 types of Android quiz games. First one, guess the picture, tiles game, 4 pictures and 1 word, and find words quiz game, and you will be able to monetize all of them without coding or any programming language skills. Some examples of our projects in this course: cool screens and features. You will be able to choose your quiz game theme among 15 different themes. Free tool and templates to design your game icon and manage its colors. Easy upload your game levels and set questions and answers. Add Firebase to your game to send notifications to your users and to get analysis. You will be able to monetize your game with 3 different ways at same time. First one is to choose ad network, reward survey, in-app purchases. You will be able to sell coins. You will be able to upload your game to Google Play Store and Amazon App Store. Multi-language content, reskin features, media pack, icon builder, game levels in the cloud, in-app purchases, content translation, 100% free and unique design. Enjoy learning and monetization. Thank you.